Not bad. Go and get it on the side of your shoulder. There you go. Not bad, not bad, not bad. You're all right.
Oh, that was awful.
Not bad. Use your hips. Side of your shoulder. There you go. Not bad. Good. Think hips, all hips. Just hands are there to follow. Not bad, not bad. Let's go 2 more that side. 2 more that side. There you go. And 1 more. There you go. Good. Take your time, Bryce. Take your time. Not bad. Use your bottom half to curl. Bottom half. There you go. 1 more.